Here we are asked to find the area of an equilateral triangle, and all we're given is its height. And this goes back to what we did in class, remembering that in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the sides are in this ratio. I have t for the short side. Between the 30 and the 90 is the t radical 3, and the hypotenuse is 2t. So in this triangle we have that t root 3 is equal to 21 root 3. If we divide both sides by root 3, I see that t is 21. So if t is 21, that means this whole base would be 2 of those, 2t. So that makes this 42. And the area of our triangle is 1/2 base times height, 1/2 42, the base, times the height, which they gave us was 21 root 3. Well, half of 42 is 21, and 21 times 21 is 441. So this is 441 root 3.